Okay, so hey guys, video of I want last video I didn't make a video before. Dang it. Okay. I did my mailtime in another video, but it was too long to be uploaded. So I just kept danging it. I'm gonna make another one, and I'm just gonna show you my received ones. Thanks, I'm pretty. I haven't got really good. What the heck am I saying? Okay, I haven't got really good gifts. I've got awesome gifts. This kiss. Dang it. I don't want to talk louder. But my whole finally. Okay, so I'm just saying thank you, kiss 171 for the rare. Thank you for all the gifts. Oh, I couldn't record well, I did record while opening them, but I couldn't upload because it was 32 minutes. I tried my best, but I had too much lag, so it took me 32 minutes. Since Unlimited won my outfit giveaway, green outfit, and it's taking too long. Did that Galaxy Tackle ask for an outfit? Because if she did, she can win it. She gave me a whole outfit. Thank you for all these gifts, Quake and Little Gaming, and Cheetah Boy. So I don't know why I say it like that. But why did you give me a red mustache? When I don't really like mustaches, because I look weird. Thanks for this 6,000 million billion. I don't know how many zeros there are, but I don't get it. That's all I could say. Thank you for the gifts, and bye. Bye. This is Unlimited. Friender. Oh yeah, this is the dress that you do this pregnancy challenge with. Sorry, Hannah. Just use it. Don't give it to anyone. I wasted my money on it. And I'm broke. Officially broke. Nice style though. She's got it. It's hard to get to like give people. Okay, how do rare contests or rare stuff get these rare rare things like rare contests? Let's just call it contests. How do they give people rares? I can't go through 249 comments. How do they go through thousands? Like, oh my god. Especially that giveaway of quitting. 20,000 comments. Me. Sorry for sounding like a kid. I just sound so squeaky. Like a rat or mouse. I'm bored. Hate you. Come on. Once 15 minutes, I am going to cut this video. Because I can't make it more than, oh yeah, finally. More than 15 minutes. Or it won't upload. So, why do you hate me? I don't know. Maybe he just hates you. I'm sure he doesn't. You hope someone will win. Someone will probably win. Okay, I'm not gonna do this in front of you because this is gonna take a long time. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna do one thing with you. Just to show you that it doesn't work. This video has been removed because it's too long. So, I'm not lying. Me no lie. No me ice cream back. Okay, where's the Essence Unlimited? There she is, little dot. Dang it. 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots, 7 dots, 6 dots, 7 dots, 8 dots. Why am I like a kid? 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. Why do I laugh a lot? Or why do I want to be funny? I don't sound funny. Why do I try to be funny? I am never funny. Oh, I wish I did that. What was it called? Mailtime. With you, Why do I sing a lot? Why do I try to be funny a lot? Why am I so boring? Oh, am I so boring a lot? Dang it, I don't have a lot of time. I wish I could edit that video, but I don't know how to edit. I just started using YouTube. It's my first video. Because the other videos, my friend posts them. She doesn't know how to edit. Liar, pants on fire. Her pants on fire. She's gonna die. She's going to die. Yeah, she's gonna die. No, I like her. I don't want her to die. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna have the video now, so whatever. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. Bye.